So I guess, Mr. Sommer, is there a demonstration that you can do for the jury to help them understand why the low-level fuel sensor never went off in this accident?
Absolutely.
May I hand the witness this container? Or no?
If we have a little Post-it note or something?
Better. I'm sure.
Okay. So, Dory, did I stand up? Here's the airplane's fuselage. Here's the feeder tank. Here's the wing tank. Now remember, the airplane has a 6.5 degree dihedral, which means in normal flight, the fuel tank, the feeder tank is going to be 6.5 degrees. Here's this low fuel sensor. So if the amount of fuel or amount of water I have in this container just hits the bottom of the low level sensor, then we get a low fuel warning. Now, what happens when the airplane goes like this? Pardon me? It's automatic. When the airplane goes into a wing low situation, 6.5 degrees, 10 degrees, about 3.5 degrees down, you'll see the low level sensor gets covered up. Now, it doesn't work anymore. Now you don't get the low level sensor. Now what happens? Remember, you got your fuel port down here. So what happens to the fuel port? It becomes uncovered, or it can be uncovered due to the sloshing around of the fuel. So you got no low level warning, and you've got a probability of putting air into your fuel system through the fuel coupling.
Based upon your analysis of the fuel system, have you reached any opinions concerning the adequacy of the design?
Yes.
What are your opinions, sir?
The design is completely inadequate because you got one system in the airplane that is completely capable of causing another system to fail.
You hold that opinion to a reasonable degree of certainty in your field.
Yes.
Is the fuel system defective?
Yes, it is.
Is the autopilot system defective?
Yes, sir. And the combination of the two is dangerous.
And you hold those opinions to a reasonable degree of certainty in your field?
Yes, sir.